Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about one more example of the probability, and this is the previous examination question. The example is: a man is known to speak the truth 2 out of 3 times. He throws a die and reports that it is a 1. Find the probability it is actually 1. So given that a single die is rolled, single die is thrown, so therefore the event capital A is considered as event that the man reports that one in throwing of single die, and event S1 is considered as event that one occurs, and S2 is considered as event that one does not occur. When throwing a single die, when throwing a single die, the total outcomes are 6. The total outcomes are 6. The probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting number 2 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting number 3 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting number 4 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting number 5 on the throwing single die 1 by 6. Probability of getting number 6 is 1 by 6. So the probability of S1 is probability of, now here, event that man reports that one in the throwing of the die. So probability of S1 is probability of that one occurs is chances are 1 by 6. Probability of S2. So probability, what is S2? Event 1 does not occur. So even 1 does not occur means 1 minus probability of the event occurs. So probability that 1 does not occur means 1 minus 1 by 6. 1 minus 1 by 6 is 5 by 6. That is probability of S2. Also probability of E by S1. So probability of E by S1 is the conditional probability. So probability that man reports 1 occur when 1 actually has occurred on the die. This is 1. So probability of E by S1 is the probability that man reports 1 occurs when 1 actually has occurred on the die. So now here from the given data, a man is known to speak the truth 2 out of 3 times. So that is probability of E by S1 is 2 by 3. And probability of E by S2. So probability of E by S2 is the probability that the man reports 1 occurs when 1 not actually occurred on the dice. So that means 1 minus 2 by 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. That is probability of E by S2. So using base theorem, probability of S2 by E is equal probability of S1, probability of E by S1 divided by probability of S1, probability of E by S1, probability of S2, probability of E by S2. And this is probability of S2. Probability of S2. So therefore, substitute probability of S1, probability of S2, probability of E by S1, probability of E by S2 into this equation. We get probability of S2 by E is 2 by 7. So that is the probability of the given example. Find the probability that is actually 1.